TPS and adjustment of status. Friend, you need to take advantage of the current settlement agreement. The stipulations that was actually in favor of some TPS holders with order of removal. In this video, we'll talk about it, and we are going to advise on how to proceed. My name is Bijou Ngwanda. I'm an immigration lawyer based here in DC. I do work with individuals across the country and around the world because we're dealing with complex U.S. immigration laws cases. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you for subscribing, and please do not forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. If you enjoy the content, you go ahead and share, like. Don't forget to comment below. Also follow me on all platforms: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook group, and Facebook page, so that we can grow our community and I will bring you the most updated immigration news. And I'll answer your questions on live sessions. As a matter of fact, we are going to be doing in the month of February a lot of live sessions where you can ask your question live. I want to see your face. We're going to do the challenge, show your face when you ask your question. So you're going to be on camera asking your question live. Then we're going to do it and answer it. Really, we're going to do like a free consultation on live YouTube streaming. Okay, that's what we're gonna do in the month of February because we really want to get to the bottom of those immigration issues and try to help as much as we can, and really just to provide legal advice and really just to help out the community and help our friends and family back home. So TPS and adjustment of status. Order of deportation. So if you have a TPS, you are a TPS holder, and you have an order of deportation, okay? The agreement says that you can adjust status. Really, you can go back with ICE to ask them to dismiss your case so that you can adjust status, provided that you meet the adjustment of status requirement. For example, you got married, but you were ordered removed long time ago, and the basis of your removal is not like you had the crime or something. It's just basically the asylum didn't work out for inconsistency or something like that, or whatever relief you were asking in the immigration court was not granted for not meeting the requirements, right? So now later on you get married, or later on your child turned 21, and now you want to adjust status, but because you have the order of deportation, and then you cannot adjust status because nobody's claiming jurisdiction, right? So what you're going to have to do is you really go back to ICE and ask them to join the motion to reopen your case and dismiss removal proceedings so you can adjust with USCIS. As a matter of fact, if you have traveled abroad on advanced parole on your TPS, those are the people who qualify because their first entry was unlawful, right? And then now they travel to make a second entry, a lawful entry. So now they qualify to adjust status based on marriage, right? Family-based, immediate family relative. Or employment if you have 245I, right? That's exception. So now what you're going to do is really join motion with ICE, dismiss removal proceedings based on the current settlement agreement. It's much easier because the agreement is already there, right? Challenging just to get them to respond. But as far as procedure, the agreement's already there. If you meet those requirements in the settlement, they have no option but to dismiss your removal. But the challenge is in the fact of getting ICE to respond to your petition. So we can help you with that because that's what we do best. Really meet the challenges of the immigration court and immigration procedures. Okay, so that's what we want to talk about: TPS and adjustment of status. And just that the good news is that Haiti registration just opens, and then we have other country that was really redesignated for TPS. So USCIS.gov, you can find out who has been designated recently for TPS, but the latest news is that Haiti, the registration has just opened. Okay, and if I have to reiterate for TPS holders too from Haiti, they can apply for humanitarian parole for their immediate family member to join them, really, because that's the new humanitarian parole, the one that is going on now, even though there's a lawsuit pending on it. So if you need a consultation, again, just schedule it. Consultation link is in the description box below. As a matter of fact, we are really talking a lot about lawsuits, mandamus lawsuits, unreasonable delay. We are suing in federal court. We are not going to take unnecessary delays this year around. We are just going forward with lawsuits, and I'll talk a lot about those lawsuits in the coming days. But until then, bye-bye.